Hello friends, I am Swapun and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Friends, today we are going to draw a very easy scenery. At first, we'll draw a house. Here, we'll draw a letter A, then we'll draw two slanting lines, then we'll add the lines. After that, we can draw three standing lines, then window and door. Okay. See, I think you can draw this one very easily. But when you will draw the house, at that time you should follow the particular place. If you want, you can divide the page into 4 equal pieces. Friends, now we will draw a lady. A lady collecting some flowers. See, here I am using direct black color sketch pen. But if you want, you can use pencil. It's better at first you can draw with pencil drawing. After that you can use sketch pen or pen, or you can complete the color. But here we will learn only drawing. Okay, see the process. Here I am showing this process very easily. I'm sure that if you follow this process you can draw this one very easily, but you should follow the process. Step by step you have to complete the hard drawing. Okay, see is collecting flowers and how you will draw her structure. See the process. In this way we will complete whole drawing. So before starting the color, you should complete the drawing properly. Okay, see, now we can draw some branches. See the branches. Okay, so friends, now we have to complete the trees and branches and flowers. Okay, now we have to complete the tree properly. After that we can go to the background. So friends, see, here I have shown a very easier process, and I'm sure that if you follow this process you can learn this one very easily. And friends, now if you need any help you can contact with me, and if you want to complete the color you can, but here today learn only drawing. Okay, and I'm sure that you can draw this one very easily. If you follow the process you can draw this one. Okay, now almost our drawing is completed. Now just we have to complete the some things background, then we can start the color. It's depend to you, what do you want, pastel color or watercolor or pencil sketch or anything. So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to share. Bye.